Car First Aid Kit Guide UK. What should be inside? In the UK, carrying a first aid kit in a private car isn't a legal requirement, but the Highway Code recommends that all drivers keep basic first aid supplies in their vehicle. If you drive for work, your employer must provide adequate and appropriate first aid provision based on a risk assessment. For vehicles, the recognized best practice standard is BS 8599-2. A first aid kit helps you manage cuts, burns, bleeding, and other minor injuries until further help is available. It also protects your passengers and provides peace of mind on every journey. A recommended UK car first aid kit includes plasters, cleansing wipes, nitrile gloves, a trauma dressing, a burn dressing, a foil blanket, a resuscitation face shield, scissors, and a first aid guidance leaflet. When traveling in Europe, many countries legally require a car first aid kit, and you can be fined if you don't carry one. Check your kit regularly, replace expired items, and keep it easy to reach. Stay prepared and stay safe.